And we're coming down the home stretch here on the RDP Advent Calendar. This year is all about suspension calisthenics to celebrate the new book that I'm working on under the same title. So today we're working flex chain, and we're going to keep it real simple and to the point. After all, suspension straps are one of the best ab machines in the world. We're going to make good use of it today. So feet are in the foot loops like so. Standard plank position. All we're going to do is have some simple knee tucks with some saw plank if you're able to get that much tension in your abs to support your lower back, followed by mountain climbers. So shoulders are protracted, pelvis is a posterior tilt, shift it back and tip up. And we're going to have 6 of these because the shifting back makes it much more intense, and that's what we want. High intensity, low repetitions. And once you have 6 of those, you have just a simple, slow mountain climbers for a total of 16 repetitions. Trying to keep your pelvis up the entire time and really driving with the hips. Very, very simple workout, nothing fancy. And we have 3 total rounds of that, resting as needed in between each round. If you feel it in your lower back, stop, take a rest, because as always, that means that your abs are no longer tense enough or strong enough to support your lumbar spine, and it's time to terminate the set. Questions down below, more resources in the description as well. Thank you very much for watching. Be fit, live free.